So I'll be taking you through how to set up your payment option. The first thing you need to do is to go to your wallet. Like now, I'm on my Coinbase wallet. To pick SYO crypto address where I'm sending the crypto to, I'm clicking receive. So this is the address. I will copy the address. I will now take the address back to the Coin Hub. You click this place to set up your payment detail, that is redeem detail. You click redeem detail. So this is where you submit both the wallet address that you've copied, you submit and save. See, request sent to your email. The request to update your Ethereum wallet address is sent to your email. So you have to go to your email to go and confirm you are the one changing your wallet address. You do the same thing for your NFT wallet. You copy and paste the same crypto address. That is where you'll be sending your NFT and the SYO crypto. You save and go back to your email to go and confirm. You ensure you copy for both the wallet address and the NFT address. Then you click done. You can see verify redeem detail update. Then you click that green button. You can see detail verification complete. All you need to do is to download this app and start using it. A video will come out up here. It's going to take you through how to use this app step by step. Ensure you watch those videos. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Also, drop your comments and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.